people! Today I'm going to explain you about science. There are 6 topics in this video, which are measurements, speed, velocity and acceleration, graphs of equation, falling bodies, density, and lastly, weight. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it! So first, we are going to talk about measurements. But before that, let's take a look at units and basic quantities. There are 3 basic quantities in physics: length, mass, and times, and the units are based on them. Now, the SI are used in many different countries. So first, length. The unit of length is meter, and we measure length by using a ruler. So the second one is area. The unit of area is meter square, and it is found by multiplying 2 sides. So the third one is volume. The unit of a volume is centimeter cubic or meter cubic, and it is found by multiplying 3 sides, which is the length, breadth, and height. The next one is mass. A mass of an object is a measurement of the amount of matter in it, and the unit of it was G, or gram, and you measure it by using a scale. And the last one is time. Time is a second that is used to count the length of a day. The second one is speed, velocity, and acceleration. Speed is a rate at which something is able to move. You can find speed by dividing the distance moved and the time taken. Velocity is the distance traveled in unit time in stated direction. You are able to find a velocity by dividing a distance moved in a stated direction and the time taken. A distance moved in a stated direction can also be called as displacement. An acceleration occurs when the velocity of a body changes. You are able to find acceleration by dividing the change of velocity and the time taken for change. This is used when you want to measure a speed of something. For example, there's a car that moves 40 meters in a direction of time of 20. So, as we know, to find speed is to divide the distance moved and the time taken. So, it moved by 40 meters in a direction of 20 seconds. So we have to divide it, and it is 2 meters per second. The third one is graph of equations. The velocity time graphs obtained when the velocity of a body is plotted against the time. It is used for solving motion problems. And the distance time graph is used. A body traveling with uniform velocity covers equal distance in equal time. The fourth one is falling bodies. The object falls in the air because of gravity. And if you threw a coin and a piece of paper at the same time, a coin will fall faster than a piece of paper. It happens due to the air resistance that has greater effect on a piece of paper. The air resistance is larger in the light bodies. And to find the acceleration, you can use this formula, which is 1/2 gt squared. So here is the example. The water falls due to the gravity. The fifth one is density. In everyday language, something is called heavier in comparison, but in science, this term is called as density. You can measure density by dividing mass and volume, or to make it simple, you can use this. So here's the thing, if an object has lower density than the water, then the object will float. But if an object has a higher density than the water, then the object will sink. Here is an example. When I put a coin inside the water, the coin will sink. It happens due to the higher density of a coin than the water. And lastly, number 6 is weight. But before that, we have to know what is force. Force is a push or a pull. It can cause a body to move, even changes its speed or direction. A weight is a force of gravity on it. The unit of a force is Newton. Therefore, the unit of a weight is also a Newton. Here's the thing to keep on your mind. The weight of a mass of 1 kilogram is 9.8 Newton. So, do you understand now? I hope it can help you with your study. That's all from me. Bye! See you next time!